a brand owner, we will be choosing a lot of brand name for our products and services. While choosing a brand name, we should keep in mind that we should not choose any popular or similar brand names. But if suppose you are choosing a brand name which is already popularly known and you are copying and try to change here and there some words or letters and try to utilize it, then you will end up in big legal problems. What were the legal problems? I am going to explain you with these two case laws. First case law is Maggi versus Maggisun. Second case law is Wow Momo versus Wow Burger. In this video, we are going to discuss about these two case laws. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Intelligensia Private Limited. First, we are going to discuss about the case law on Maggi versus Maggisun. Suppose you are walking into a supermarket and you are seeing a pressure cooker which is termed as Maggisun. The moment you see the name Maggi, you will remember the food product which is Maggi. Now, Nestle company owns this brand name Maggi. They also saw that there was another company called Sri Sankareshwara Utensils and they were using the name Maggisun for their pressure cooker. Whatever I told you, it's not a story. Actually, in originality, this happened. So what happened is this Nestle company filed a case against them stating that they should not use the term Maggi for their product. Why? Because Maggi is a very popular name and secondly, they have acquired a well-known status mark. Already in previous video, we have mentioned that if any trademark gets a well-known status, then they will be protected against all the 45 classes of trademark. Now here Maggi is already a very popular name with well-known status and when someone else copies the brand name in other product like in pressure cooker or any other product, they cannot use it. Now this case came before the court in the month of September 2025 wherein the opponent party agreed that he will not use the brand name Maggisun. But court gave an observation that not only he should use Maggisun, he should not use Maggi for any terms with prefix or suffix or any change in that. Because Maggi is primarily a well-known status mark and hence if he has already applied any trademark application that will also be cancelled. Now in this case, the brand owner of this cooker would have invested a lot of money in creating the brand name but the mistake he made was choosing a popular name called Maggi. And because of this, he ended up in the legal problem and he had to ultimately lose his brand with a lot of business loss. In the same way, there was another brand owner who chose the same popular name and ended up in legal problem. But before discussing that, if you are as an entrepreneur having a lot of doubts in choosing your brand name, click on the description below where we have given you a business WhatsApp community. You can join that community today to clarify your doubts on brand name registration. Now we are going to go to the second case laws which is Wow Momo versus Wow Burger. In this case, if you see Wow Momo, you might have seen a lot of outlets all over India where they have used the name Wow as the primary name and they have created a suffix where they will use different food products. Now this company has a practice to register the lot of brand names in this fashion. Now they found out there was another company who started using the name Wow Burger. They have applied for trademark and slowly they were becoming popular. Once this company, that is Wow Momo, became aware of this, they filed a case against Wow Burger in Delhi High Court. Now Delhi High Court in this month made an observation that Wow Momo and Wow Burger is deceptively similar. Why? Because when a customer will see the Wow Burger, they will immediately assume that Wow Momo has opened a new outlet and they will start going there. So to avoid this, the court gave an interim order stating that Wow Burger cannot use the term Wow itself and they have to change their brand name. But here also the owner had to suffer a loss. The one reason is he might have started his brand outlet by investing a lot of money in lakhs. Secondly, he might have promoted the brand Wow Burger to a lot of customers through marketing and again he would have made a lot of expenditure. Thirdly, since he have used a popular name, now the court has asked them not to use. So he has to change the brand name and suffer a huge loss in their branding section. Now that's why as a brand owner, this mistake you should never do. You should not use any popular names. Take that names, change here and then and start utilizing for your brand name. You will end up in legal problems like this. To avoid these legal problems, you have to do the following 3 steps. Number 1, choose a name which is unique and coined by you. Number 2, whenever you are choosing that unique name, kindly go for a trademark search. Number 3, whenever you are going for a trademark search, get a legal expert opinion whether you will get any legal problems in future or not. If you are going to do these 3 things, you have a high possibility to get your brand name successful in market as well as not end up in any legal problems. You as a brand owner, if you want any legal expert opinion, kindly call to this number and get your consultation. Like this, more useful videos will be posted in our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Intelligensia Private Limited.